So, upon further inspection of all hell breaking loose, I found multiples of hells breaking loose. So we've got Florida. There's one in Mexico. There's like 4 or 5 out here. Just whoop-a-doop. We've got one up here, right off the coast. For some reason, all of this is going right up here. Poor Brazil here. Shabam. I mean, that's the ass back of Africa. There's another 1, 2, 3. I mean, they're just surrounded at this point. We've got some started over here. It's coming for India next. There's one bad boy right here. Let's see if we can't get in closer to that. Let's see what's going on over here. Yeah, coming for India. Here, it's forming. There's a tiny little one trying to start right there. So we have some at the top of Russia. Yeah, damn. Greenland, Iceland, United. Look at this shit. It's just doop. It's just coming on. There you have it, guys. So, around the United States right now and Mexico, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is just cause for concern, because, I mean, really? Just look at this. Like, what are they doing? It's all going up and then swooping here. I mean, they're just getting their ass ate. Look at that. I mean, it's just coming from every which way there. Surprised there ain't no forming on the fucking Hudson. Quebec, Quebecan. Yep. No one wants to actually tell you that they're all around us. They're doing their weather thing. They're all around us. It's the same one. Pan out. Oh shit, look. Cape Verde is getting fucking pummeled right now. Look at that. Poor Cape Verde. I mean, this is just cause for concern. Look at this weird burst of shit. That's where it's starting from. Seems like. Anyways. Oh my god. Look at this, how it's forming. It's kicking it straight that way. Oh shit, I found one off of the coast of Argentina, you guys. It's starting to wear up. Well, hell in high water. Oh, this is forming a whole thing. Look. And then it's coming back down here. Skadoosh. Skadoosh. That's what it's doing. It's branching off. It's skadooshing over that way. Oh, and that's when we get... What is that? Yeah, that's the ass end of Africa. So it's skadooshing. Skadoosh. Doosh. Skadoosh. Wah. Anyways, oh, there's another one forming. Oh, they're fucked. They're fucked. Well, weather updates if you want.